and the power of women rising to lead. Witness the beauty of controlled complexity, a seamless fusion. Showcasing discipline,
Simbolo sa organisasyon at koordinasyon ay nabubuo.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng Hunters ROTC weight laying ceremony. Natuklasan natin sa episode na ito ang kanilang pambihirang katapangan. At ngayon sa part 2 episode na ito, ating masasaksihan ang pasiklaban ng mga kadete para sa kanilang pagtatanghal ng fancy drill competition. At ngayon, tungayan ang pambihirang pagtatanghal ng mga ROTC cadets.
Ang W formation ay sumasagisa sa women, mga kababaihang may tapang, talino at paninindigan. Sa magdiriwang ng National Women's Month, ang hugis na ito ay pagpupugay sa lakas ng bawat babaeng Pilipino. Ang W ay sumisimbolo ng women of work na may dangal at integridad. Sa promosyong ito, tumitindig ang kababaihang hindi lamang inspirasyon ng bayan, kundi aktibong lakas ng pagbabago. Ang X-Formation ay sumasagisa sa pagtanggi ng diskriminasyon laban sa kababaihan.
Alam nyo ba na ito ang 3rd NCRR CDG ROTC Fancy Drill Competition na ginanap sa headquarters ng Philippine Army?
Ay hindi nakakamit ng mag-isa. Ito ay bunga ng sama-samang pagkilos, natatag na pagtumulo at iisa lamang na layunin. Simbolo sa organisasyon at koordinasyon ay nabubuo sa pagsasana. Bago pa na ikatatag ang programang Reserve Officers Training Corps o ROTC noong taong 1912,
17 ROTC units mula sa iba't ibang universidad sa Metro Manila ang lumahok para ipamalas ang galing sa rifle drills.
para maabot ang mataas na rescue ay hinahanda tumugon sa mga operasyon sa Marcha ng Rayadillo ang nagbibigay tubig militar sa patikas at ibabang seremonya ng panghati ng mga kadete. At sa inyong harapan, ang unit ng Rayadillo na nagsasanay sa drill, seremonya at mga galon ay sisiyasatin ng pinuno ang kanyang mga talo. Ipili siya ng 3 kadeteng dadaan sa pagsisiyasat. na tumutukoy sa asul at puting telang puto na ginamit sa paggawa ng uniforme ng mga elite presidential guards noong panahon ng revolusyon.
The problem is the marvel, the sacrifice, and the exhaustion, born by age and the now transformed into
Sinasagawa ang ROTC Fancy Drill Competition upang mahubog ang disiplina, teamwork at pamumuno ng mga kadete sa pamamagitan ng koordinasyon at pagpapakita ng husay sa military marching at rifle drills.
observe the sun, the symbol of freedom and unity in Philippine history. It rays pierce the darkness, reflecting the courage, sacrifice, and perseverance of the Filipino people. Now the cadets are marching towards the cross formation, symbolizing their mission accomplished. Today, we honor the courage who actively contribute to our community through public ceremonies, national commemorations, and civic engagements, striving to inspire the youth, strengthen patriotism, and uphold the standards of the ROTC and the armed forces of the Philippines. We are the Global ROTC Unit Passenger Team, disciplined in action, excellent in execution, and steadfast in our service to the nation and to the city of Marikina. Together, we move as one, guided by honor, pride, and purpose. Cadet Private Brad Andre Blurambis, a Persian criminology student of the Mandasan Resort of Marikina, a proud resident of Barangay Santo Niño, Marikina City. It is the study of ladies and gentlemen.
Traditional and non-traditional military roles. The use of calculated movements demonstrating flawless coordination and expert handling of their rifles. Faith in our mission, faith in one another, and faith in God. In both training.
Kung gaano katindi ang bawat kalaw ng mga kadete sa kanilang exhibition, ganyan din katindi ang hiyawan at suporta ng kanilang mga kapwa estudyante.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Pioneer Honor Guard Drill Team. Welcome to the third NCR RCDG Fancy Drill Competition, where discipline meets precision and excellence rise to center stage.
from unity to controlled chaos. What seemed to be disorder is, in truth and discipline, is strategy. Every movement is calculated. Every step deliberates, creating a dynamic display. In the art of fancy drill, each movement embodies the essence, representing harmony and integrity. Within the disciplined movement of solid drill lies a profound symbol of infinity, representing endurance, continuity, and boundless potential. A symbol of strength, precision, and unity, executed with sharp movement and flawless coordination. With every calculated step, our cadet form a bold and commanding exclamation, showcasing discipline, teamwork, and true spirit of excellence. The fancy group ascend new movement to become a living symbol of the cross, embodying sacrifice, unity, and strength. Process rise in perfect alignment, reflecting the core values of ROTC, love for the country.
Layunin din itong isulong ang pagmamahal sa bayan at ihanda sila bilang mga susunod na leader. Bukod sa pagpapakita ng kagalingan, ang kompetisyon ay nagsisilbing patunay ng kahandaan at dedikasyon ng iba't ibang universidad.
Witness the beauty of controlled complexity, a seamless fusion. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Philmon Honor Guard Drill Team. The Philmon ROTC is headed by our Philmon ROTC Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel Jefferson S. Mamawag, Infantry, Philippine Army, Philmon ROTC Coordinator, Mr. Jericho N. Cabuñas, Design Center for Nation Building NSTP, Dean Jefferson Octavio, our University President, Dr. Elena E. Presnelli, and to our dynamic and supportive Mayor, Mayor Rosano Rufino B. Biason. Army Reserve. We gratefully acknowledge Gideon Cooper, the official sponsor of the Philmon Honor Guard Drill Team uniform. Thank you for your unwavering support in shaping excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Philmon Honor Guard Drill Team. Muntinlupa, nakaka-proud! Maraming salamat! Pangulo and the First War Commander, Cadet Jesus Vergara. In performing their Fancy drill, led by the company commander, Cadet Colonel Edwards D. Maxina, First Class.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, the company commander will now give his honor tonight. Of our alma mater, PUP, symbolizing unity, pride, and excellence. The Polytechnic University of the Philippines stands as the home for growth and opportunity, nurturing students to become individuals of character and social responsibilities in service to God, country, and people.
The cadets now form a pentagon assembly machine, a symbol of defense, strength, and unity, echoing the motto of the Philippine Army,
Serving the people, securing the land.
as it stands as a living symbol of dedication to the nation, duty, and the protection of the homeland. To safeguard the nation from external threats while striving to eliminate internal threats and subversion. Discipline and integrity towards students and obtaining our program.
For some unity, the formation signifies limitless potential and relentless pursuit of excellence. The cadets throw their rifles and weapons, with precision, demonstrating trust and confidence among themselves and their peers. As each rifle rises in perfect uniformity, it returns into capable hand, a masterful presentation of military discipline and precision in drill, reflecting their confident handling, hand-and awareness, and coordination. Transmitting properly, spacing, and focus throughout their
At ang inaabangan ng lahat, ang awarding ceremony. At ang final ranking sa competition na ito. Fifth runner-up ang Lyceum Mapalabang with 81.6% points. Fourth runner-up, University of Santo Tomas, 87.3%. Third runner-up, University of the Philippines, Diliman, with 88.2% points. Second runner-up, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, nakakuha ng 90% points. First runner-up, Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Marikina, 93.6% points. At ang champion ng 3rd NCRRC-DG ROTC Fancy Drill Competition, walang iba kundi ang Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa with a high score of 95.5% points. Natapos ang buong araw ng kompetisyon ng pagpapakita ng galing at husay. Hindi biro ang pagod at sakripisyo pero kitang-kita ang saya sa kanilang mga muka na balot ng positibong pananaw. Nailalarawan ang kasiyahang ito na ang pagiging kadete ay kusang loob na kanilang pinili. Pinili nilang paglingkuran ang bayan dahil ito'y karangalan ng bawat Pilipino. Tulad na lang ng mga hunters ROTC guerrillas, sa murang edad, pinili nilang ipagtanggol ang bayan, buhay man ang kapalit nito. If you love to show support with me, you can simply send me a super thanks to this video. By clicking the thanks button under my video, there are multiple price points that each have their own special one-time animation. As an added bonus, you will get a post a distinct colorful comment in my video's comment section. After selecting your preferred price, just click buy and send. It will direct you to add your preferred payment method. And you're done. And before you do that, please subscribe first and hit the notification bell and choose all and you'll get notified. You're now subscribed to my channel.